In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eBay shipping policy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your eBay account and how to adjust an existing shipping policy so it matches the way you want to ship your items. Start on ebay.com and make sure you're signed into your seller account. Look toward the top of the page where your profile name appears. Hover your mouse over your name to open the quick menu. This gives you fast access to the parts of your account you'll use most often. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you into the main settings area where all your seller preferences live. If you manage multiple listings, this is where centralizing your shipping, payment, and return rules really pays off, because you can change a policy once and have it apply across listings that use it. Next, find and click Business Policies. Business policies are eBay's way of letting you manage standardized templates for shipping, payments, and returns. If you don't immediately see business policies, your account may need to have this feature enabled, but most active sellers will see it here in Account Settings. You'll now be on the Business Policies Management page. Locate the shipping policy you want to adjust. Each policy will show its name and which listings are using it, so pick the one that needs updating. On the right side of that policy, click the three dots to open its options menu. This menu gives you quick actions without leaving the page, which is handy if you manage several policies. Choose Edit from the menu. This opens the Shipping Policy Editor. Here, review the policy name so it's descriptive and easy to recognize later. Then go through your shipping services, such as flat versus calculated rates, domestic and international options, and any free shipping offers. Check your handling time so it reflects how quickly you can reliably ship. Confirm the shipping locations you serve and set any exclusions if there are regions you can't deliver to. If you offer combined shipping or local pickup, make sure those settings align with your operations. Take a moment to read through each field. Small details like carrier choices and service levels can affect buyer expectations and your costs. Before you move on, verify that the policy still makes sense for the types of items using it. A single policy can cover many listings, so adjusting it here keeps everything consistent and reduces manual edits later. That's the process. Hover your profile name, go to Account Settings, open Business Policies, use the three dots on your shipping policy, and select Edit to make your changes. With these steps, updating how you ship on eBay is straightforward and efficient.